Well, the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League is just few hours away. And it is taking place at a time when the country is witnessing a huge COVID surge. The first set of matches are going to take place in Mumbai, which is already the hotspot as far as the COVID-19 cases are concerned. And even before the first ball was bowled, there have been cases of support staff, of players turning positive. How safe is it to conduct this big cricket carnival at a time as challenging as the second wave the country is witnessing at this moment?
Cricket's annual carnival is back. After a stopover in the UAE last year, the Indian Premier League is back home. 13 seasons of unprecedented success, the IPL now faces its biggest ever challenge, the coronavirus pandemic.
Yorker.
60 matches are to be played over a period of 52 days at 6 different venues, and with the daily COVID cases going north of 1 lakh, the BCCI has its task cut out. No spectators, bio bubbles, and with constant testing, the IPL Governing Council is trying its best to keep the danger away.
I can assure you, as an ex-cricketer, that IPL will be a success, and we will have the same kind of entertainment with proper biosecure bubble, which we have seen in UAE.
I think the SOPs are strictly being monitored. So I'm pretty certain that if everybody follows it, then it should again be a tournament like the last time in UAE without any hitches.
Even before the first ball was bowled came the news of some players, including 2 from Royal Challengers Bangalore and members of ground staff at the Wankhede, testing positive for COVID-19. Among all the 6 venues, Mumbai, the city worst hit by COVID, is the biggest worry. The city plays host to 4 teams: Chennai Super Kings, Delhi Capitals, Rajasthan Royals and the Punjab Kings, and will conduct the first set of IPL 2021 matches from April 10th to 25th. Despite many questioning the viability of the matches in Mumbai with night curfew in place, the Maharashtra government has given a go-ahead to the league in the city.
It is on. It is on. It is.
IPL permission has been given to the matches with restriction. No people will be allowed to sit in the stadium. Only relay can be done. The players and the people who are involved in this game have to isolate themselves. On this condition, the permission has been given.
In spite of the mini lockdown in Maharashtra and strict guidelines in place in the city of Mumbai, the action of IPL will be still on. 10 matches of the IPL are scheduled to be played at the Wankhede Stadium, and out of the 10 matches, 9 are scheduled to start at 7:30. The state government that had initially given permission to the IPL has now also granted permission for the practice sessions of the IPL teams. The lockdown time in Maharashtra, a night curfew is in place in Mumbai, which has been strictly adhered to. The permission has been granted, of course, with the condition that the teams and the IPL organizing committee will have to strictly adhere to all the rules and guidelines that are in place in Mumbai, and also follow the bio bubble. With camera person Vaibhav Kangutkar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.